Hey guys, Rick Stein here, RLS Properties. It's been a while since I posted a video. I'm actually in Texas now. I've moved here, but I go back and forth between Austin, Texas and New Jersey because I have business in Jersey, and I'm currently doing another flip in Mercer County in Hamilton Township. And I'm going to let my partner and general contractor, Adam Kuhl, discuss it with you. This is the before video, but work is in progress and should be ready to be marketed at the end of the month, December. So hope you enjoy it. Take a look at my other videos. Call me if you wish. Love to talk to you. Bye-bye.
Hey, my name's Adam Kuhl. I'm a general contractor both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, and I'm also a licensed realtor in Pennsylvania. Been doing fix and flips, home renovations now for 10 plus years, and I'm inviting you to take a tour through one of our latest fix and flips that we purchased. I have a business partner on this one. His name's Rick Stein. He's also an avid investor who's got 30 plus years of realtor experience under him. And together we came upon this deal, and it's one of those ones we really couldn't pass up. But it's one of those, as I'll take you through, and you'll see within this video that it's not a cream puff. It's got some abuse. It's got some wear. It's literally raining outside, and if I stand too close over here, it is raining in the house right now. So this is why we got this deal. This deal happens to be a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath split. No, 1.5 bath split. It's a split level home. In this home, I think there's 4 levels. I'm not a big fan of these type, but hey, everybody needs a place to live. So I'll walk you around and I can tell you a little bit more of what we're planning to do. As you might be able to see within this video, it is not bright in here. I've literally turned on the only 3 lights in the house on, and we still have shadows and things are creeping around the corner type of thing in here. So one of the big things we're gonna do is that when we get into tearing this place apart and put it back together, we're gonna add some lighting. So with that said, I'll give you a little bit of a tour of what this, this new project is going to be, and we'll have a follow-up video in the end here of the befores and the afters. Now today, we want to have more of an open concept. It's not new, it's not that old, but in this particular model house, we've got this wall that's right here dividing the kitchen and the dining room and the living room space. And then there's another party wall that's around the corner here that also divides it, where it's just a doorway going from the kitchen into the dining room. Our intent here is that we're going to try to take both of these walls away, including this large header that's going across supporting, which is nothing more than just the ceiling. There's no additional load above this. It's just attic space. So what we're going to wind up doing is taking out these walls and putting in a glue lamb. What we're going to do is we're going to push this up into the ceiling and make it disappear. And we're going to go from the outside wall to the kitchen wall, and this will all be nice and flush. So there won't be this low header that I can reach, and I'm not very tall in any means here, to where it's going to disappear, and the new family that comes in afterwards will truly be able to appreciate it. So with that said, taking a walk around here, we have all original wood windows in here. So all of those windows are going to be getting changed out. We've got a big front window at the front of the house here that, some of the latches are missing. The seals are just probably single pane windows. So we're going to put a higher efficiency double pane argon gas included in there, and it'll be much, much warmer in here. So coming around here, some of the plan is going to be is we're going to take out the original kitchen, and with this new wall gone, we're going to remove a door that's in the kitchen that isn't so much really needed. We're going to relocate a new door over here in this dining space, and we'll just, this way it gives more room back to the kitchen. We're going to give a new layout, new flooring, everything is going to get painted. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, just kind of the norm for what people are looking for today. You don't want to pay top dollar for a house and you're still getting grandma's avocado, refrigerator, stove, and whatnot. So that's what we have. We're going to take you a tour into the kitchen here. You can kind of see this lovely gourmet, yes, I want to cook in here type of kitchen. Oh my God, no. There's a stove here that I think you could fit a Hot Pocket in it today, you know. I don't know how mom and dad did it back in the day, but holy cow, you know. And then on the flanking side of the kitchen is the, you know, top rated cooktop that is in here that, believe it or not, is gas. And honestly, I don't know that I would want to cook popcorn on this thing, you know. It's just scary, you know. I tried to open a kitchen drawer here and I got the drawer, but not the drawer, you know. So yeah, this kitchen is kind of, as they would say, it's expired. It's at its end of life. So we're going to take this all the way back down, just shy or maybe to the studs. We're going to verify that we fix any electrical. We've got an old exhaust fan that was back in the day, you know, that worked, it did its job, but you know, today that's not going to be needed. That goes up into this soffit and goes out. We're going to update that, take that away. I believe we have original hardwood floors under this lovely linoleum that's down here. So we're going to try to bring that back. Like I said, we're going to remove a kitchen door that's not necessary and relocate the window. And we're going to get a new layout in here. We're going to tuck the refrigerator in the corner, put the stove in where the sink is, and behind my cameraman is going to be where the new sink is going to be, looking out the window into the lovely backyard once we landscape it. So coming back through, as you can see, we have this small little like 32-inch doorway. Well, this will no longer be the case. With this removed and all this open, you know, whether it's dad cooking, because, you know, they're stay-at-home dad, everybody's stay-at-home these days, you know, you'll be able to be in the kitchen, getting whatever it is, interacting with everybody who's either sitting at the dining room table or kitchen table doing their schoolwork, because, well, we're not in school these days. Or we're watching, you know, well, we can't say Oprah, so it's Kelly and Ryan these days that's on the TV, you know. But yeah, so this will be nice and open, and the family will be able to interact. Coming back towards the front of the house, we've got a railing that is not to code these days, so this railing will have to be updated. It's too short. Everybody has gotten taller in the decades that have come. So these railings would have to be updated, you know, both here and going up to the second floor. We've got this 1970s Art Deco, you know, mirrors. I had this growing up in my own house, so I get it, but I don't get it. So this is going to come down, and we'll kind of try and figure out how to change this into something that's a little bit more okay to look at. So going down on the lower level, we've got a garage, we've got a landing room, I don't know, that comes in off the front door, and then behind the front door we have a half bath. So we all know what bathrooms look like. That one just looks like any other one. I'm not going to bother you with that, but you know, through the video you can see, you know, what we're dealing with here. We have original hardwood floors that we have here. We're going to try to bring back. I've got a great finishing guy that I've been working with for years. Comes in, knocks it out in a weekend, and it is to die for. That they're original floors, restored, and they've got brand new life, you know, just living through them again. On the first floor, we're on concrete slabs, so we're going to introduce a vinyl plank. It's what a lot of us are using these days. I actually prefer it more over laminates because, well, it's vinyl, it's waterproof. The newer vinyls are coming where it already has the backings part of it, so it's got a little bit of a cushion. It's almost like it's child-proof. We're going to put it through the entire first floor here, the bathroom, and possibly the second floor bath, just because of its functionality. We have a one-car garage. There's nothing fancy about it, so all we're going to do is just simply clear it. We're going to probably paint it just to give it so that it's clean and fresh again, and that's going to be pretty much it for there. All right, so picking up. This is the first floor of the new Hamilton project that we're getting ourselves into. As you can see behind me, we have a major deteriorating wall here. What's happening here is The second floor bathroom is above us, and what the layout is over to the left is where the bathroom sink is, then it's the toilet, and then right above all this is where the tub currently lies. What is happening here is the toilet, the seal is bad, the pipe is bad. I don't know exactly what is bad, but I know it's bad. The evidence is clearly evident. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be completely remodeling the bathroom that's up here. We're gonna be taking it back down to the studs. And once we do that, we're gonna put in a new tub, new toilet, new vanity, and we'll get into if we have to replace drains and plumbing, we will. But at this point in time, we just don't quite know exactly what the issue is. What I can tell you is that on the right-hand side of the toilet, there's literally a hole in the floor. So that could be the culprit, so that, you know, when the toilet is sealed to the floor with the wax gasket, that seal could be broken, and that would be why 50% of the water is going down the drain and the other 50% winds up in these lovely Tupperware containers that we have here. Again, this floor is just going to get fresh paint. We're going to rip out all this sheetrock in here, fix the plumbing, brand new bathroom upstairs, vinyl floor here, paint, and probably a light, because this room is lacking light other than the natural here. And again, we have another back door to the house that we're going to eliminate, because I only feel like we need one to get into the backyard. We don't need three. And then behind us is the garage, the half bath, and a door closet for the front door. And that's kind of it. We're now on the second floor of this property. Up here we have 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom. We've got a hallway closet and pull down the attic stairs. That's what's consisting on this second floor. This is the largest, or the second largest of the rooms that are up here. I don't know the exact dimensions. We've got about a 1/4 to 3/8 hardwood floor that's face nailed down here. We have this throughout the 3 bedrooms. We are going to try to restore this original flooring. And then again, in each of the rooms, the windows are going to be all new, all fresh paint, possibly new base trim throughout, the overhead light fixtures. We're also replacing all the doors, because you can't see it so much here, but you know, some of the lovely abuse that's been throughout here, things like that will be repaired. These doors have been abused. We're going to upgrade these to 6-panel doors. This is the first video here, so I'm going to give you a little bit of a conclusion here, where the intent is next time you come through, we're going to have some major changes. You know, hopefully these walls will be gone. This lovely pink rose carpet will be out of here. We'll have some fresh sheetrock. It will hopefully not be raining in the middle of the house. You know, this is not a feature that people are looking for. This is not the waterfall feature, okay? You know, we will be much brighter. We will have much more light in this place. It'll not necessarily be warmer, because I mean, it is fairly warm in here, so thank God for that. Because we're here rolling into November as we start this project. You know, you'll get to see what we're able to do. Again, I've been doing this for so long. I don't sweat the little things, and all of this is little thing. You know, and I get it, for homeowners, this can be overwhelming, but you do this enough, it's so back of hand and second nature that it's just, you know, another one done. So until then, you know, I'll look forward to seeing you for the next one.